What's going on, guys? This is Karol yet with another Make Money Online video, and today we are going to look at some people who are making thousands and thousands of dollars online in passive income, and we're going to look at the way how you can actually emulate their success without any expertise or special skills needed. Guys, I'm super excited to do this video. It's been a while since my last video, so I hope you're excited as well. Guys, without further ado, let's jump into it. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm in front of my YouTube channel on my laptop, and if you're new to this channel is all about making money online in different ways, mainly through affiliate marketing. So if this is something you're interested in, consider subscribing, and at the end of the video, if you will like it and you will get some value from it, give me thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm so we can spread the information to as many people as we possibly can. Now guys, before we dive into our today's topic, if you are interested in how I make money online with affiliate marketing and you want some free guidance and see how it actually is done, then I have a completely free video series where I explain it in great detail so you can actually take it and emulate it and make some money of your own. If you are interested in that, just click the link in the description below and I will see you inside of that. Having said that, guys, without further ado, let's get into our today's topic. Alright guys, so for today's topic, what we are going to do is we're going to use an age-old platform that everybody of you know, and it's the very well-known Amazon.com. Alright, we're going to use Amazon.com to make some money. Now guys, I know what you're probably thinking, right? This video is not another dropshipping video or Amazon FBA video. Okay, we are not going to use any dropshipping, we're not going to use any Amazon FBA, and we're definitely not going to sell any physical products. Okay, we are going to make money and use Amazon in a completely different way. All right, so just stick with me and I'm going to guide you through it. So guys, if you don't have an Amazon account yet, what I want you to do is hover over here and click here where it says new customer start here. So just click on that. Once you do, you'll be prompted with a page something like this, where you need to fill in your details. So just do that, log into your account, and then what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Amazon Kindle eBooks, right? Amazon Kindle eBooks is just pretty much Amazon books and ebooks where people are selling their ebooks and they're making tons and tons of money of it, okay? Now guys, I know what you're probably thinking at this point in the video is that, okay, this is some kind of a video for writers or some authors, which I'm not, so I'm going to have a look and find something different for me. No, this video is definitely not for writers. If you know how to write and you're an author, then it's a great bonus for you. But this video is particularly for people who have no idea whatsoever about writing, okay? We are not going to write and publish our own books. What we are going to do is we're going to use a platform, all right, where you can get completely done ebooks, all right, and you can publish it under your name and make money of it, completely legally, of course, right? I'm going to show you it in a bit, but before that we're going to go through certain steps, so just stick with me and I'm going to show you all of that. All right, so guys, as I said before, there are people who are making tons and tons of money on Kindle ebooks, so let's have a look at some examples of it, right? So for example, this person over here is selling a Kindle ebook for $4.09, all right, and it has over almost 30,000 feedbacks. Okay, so let's just assume that only those people who have left the feedback bought the product, bought the book. That is more than $100,000, okay, in sales. Now guys, how Amazon feedbacks work is that you probably, as a seller, you will get average around 5 to 6% of all the orders you get, you will receive a feedback from, right? So that means that out of 100 sales you make, only 5 or 6 people will leave you a feedback just like this one, right? So this is just for you to, to understand how Amazon works, okay? But for the sake of this video and to make make things simple, okay, we're going to count only those people who have left the feedback, okay? That's going to make our math easier, but for your reference, you know, at least you will have the idea of what is the reality inside of it, okay? So this is the example of this book, okay? Here is another example, great one, a Kindle ebook for $12, and it has more than 16,000 ratings, so that's almost $200,000, all right, guys? And here's another great example, $6.82 for over $15,000. That's over $120,000 in sales, all right, guys? So as you can see, these ebooks are very, very popular. Obviously, they are one of the most successful ones, and the reason why I've chosen these ones is that they are a great example of what is actually possible with a simple ebook, okay? And even if you get just a fraction of this, you will do a really, really good. All right, guys? So having said that, let's just have a look at Amazon.com as it stands and what kind of a traffic it actually has, right? So if you go to similarweb.com, you can see that the traffic on Amazon.com is over 2.45 billion people a month. That's the number of visits Amazon.com gets every single month, and as you can see, it was even higher before during the summer months. All right, so that's just tremendous number of people. Not many other websites have a higher traffic than Amazon.com. All right, so that's just for your reference how big Amazon.com actually is. So guys, before we can actually start publishing our ebooks, what we need to do is one more step, and that is to sign up on Amazon Kindle. So what I want you to do is go and head over to kdp.amazon.com, which just pretty much stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. All right, I want you to create an account, all right, or sign in with your Amazon account. And that's pretty much it. Okay, now we can actually publish ebooks. As you can see, the publishing takes less than 5 minutes of your time, and you can earn up to 70% from the sales from the customers coming from US, Canada, UK, Germany, France, India, Japan, Mexico, Australia, and many, many more. As you probably know, Amazon is all over the world, and what is great about Kindle ebooks is that they are in digital form, which means there is no problem in delivering the book in also pretty much all around the world, as it is directly sent in digital form, right? So that literally gives you the world at your hands. All right, so guys, this is pretty much it when it comes to Amazon's side, and let's have a look at the website that I was talking about, where we are going to get our ebooks from. Okay, so that website is called plrebookclub.com. All right, PLR, which stands for Private Label Rights Books, ebooks. Okay, now as you can see over here, Private Label Rights ebooks, okay, means that PLR ebooks, you have the ability to add yourself as the author and sell them completely legally, of course, right? So you pretty much get the rights for this ebook. Now guys, this website is amazing, okay, and there are over 21,000 different digital products, okay, and across 400 different niches. So you can literally choose whichever niche or category you want to be involved in. So what you want to do is click over on this Get Started Today. All right, once you do, you will be prompted with a page like this, where you will learn that you are about to invest $15 per month in order to download 20 ebooks monthly. All right, now guys, if you follow my channel, you probably know that I am all for free stuff and just saving wherever you can, right? But when it comes to this website, this is I go for this option, even if it is paid, all right? Because what is great about this website is that there are unique ebooks that are nowhere else around. Okay, if you would go for a free website, all right, where you have free ebooks, there is a very high chance that all those ebooks are already on Amazon and you cannot make any money of it. This website, even though you have to pay for it a slight amount, which is $15 a month, there are unique ebooks which are nowhere else, and you can make definitely money off it on Amazon. Okay, and when you think about it, what we already spoke about, all right, with these examples over here, I think $15 is very slight piece of that, which you will not definitely even see. All right, with $15 you can get 20 downloads monthly. If you want to go for the Pro, which is unlimited monthly downloads, that's just for $24 a month. So if you want to go for it, just go for it. All right, guys, and if for any reason whatsoever you are unsatisfied with it, they do offer 60 days money back guarantee, so you can get your money back. So I think this is completely a no-brainer for me, and it is really well spent money. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got tremendous value from it, and if you are interested, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. And guys, again, if you are interested in how I make money online with affiliate marketing and you want some free guidance and free videos, then I have a completely free video series where I show you exactly the steps how you can build your affiliate marketing business. So if you are interested in that, just click the link in the description below and I will see you inside of it. Having said that, guys, this is pretty much it for today's video, and I wish you a great rest of the day. Have a great day and see you soon, guys. Bye.